Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do.
Yo. Wagwan. Alright, peeps. Alright, a long time I don't do a vlog, you know. You see me? But I wouldn't really consider this as a vlog still, you see me? Alright, that's a reason you don't still. On Saturday, see? Saturday, I eat some shrimp, right? As you can see, if you check my last video, I did a shrimp and broccoli recipe, right? And guys, honestly, over the years, I'm trouble with eating shell food. I can't eat nothing with shell, right? Nothing at all. Whether shrimp, crab, skunk, lobster, anything in a shell, I'm allergic to it, right? But anyway, still, I've been trouble with that type of thing from I was in Jamaica, you see? From when I was going to school, when I was in my teens, right? I trouble with it because I used to eat crab, I used to eat shrimp before, and then all of a sudden my body started go against it, right? But anyway, still, I did a steak and shrimp recipe, a surf and turf recipe, right? And I did the recipe with taking into consideration that I can't eat shell food, but I was gonna ask my nephew to do the taste test for me, right? Anyway, still, I asked my nephew if he can do the taste test for me. I'm saying I feel like I go on a camera whatsoever, Zine. But being that when I done used to my video them doing a taste test at the end, I didn't want my video to just end like that, right? So I decided to do the taste test myself. So I eat this steak and shrimp, and I realized I wasn't itching. I realized my throat wasn't itching, my ears wasn't itching. So I said, well on there. I wonder if I'm not allergic to it again, because it's been a while, right? It's been a long while since I had shrimp, crab, or anything like that. So anyway, I bite into it again. I felt nothing. I actually eat half of the steak and half of the shrimp, and I never eat the other half, right? And I feel nothing, right? And so I said, oh shit, it looked like I'm not allergic to it again, right? So anyway, still, I did a steak and I did a shrimp and scallop recipe, and I said, all right, I'm gonna do the taste test again, right? So I eat the shrimp and the scallop, and it didn't really bother me in the day, but I noticed in the night I started wheezing, like my chest was getting tight, because that's the effect I get from it, right? When I eat it, I can't breathe. It actually tightened up my lungs, right? I start to itch my throat. At first, my throat started to itch, my ears started to itch, and then everything just started to lock up, right? So anyway, still, I managed to go through the night, and I feel all right the next day. So I was telling my friend wife about it, and she said I have a friend with the same type of allergy, but she take the Benadryl and it helped her. And I have a next friend again, right, who's affected by the same thing. He can't breathe when he eats shell food either. He tighten up in chest, he start to swell and so forth. And he said he take the Benadryl, it help him too. So I said, okay, all right, I'm gonna get a pack of Benadryl, right, at the pharmacy. So anyway, still, I get the Benadryl, and I did another seafood recipe, which was the shrimp and broccoli, right? Anyway, still, I had the shrimp and broccoli about like 1 o'clock in the day, right? And I start to feel my throat itching and my ears itching, but I take the Benadryl and it stopped. So I said, okay, the Benadryl works, right? So anyway, still, my nephew came and he eat the rest, and he left 3 pieces of shrimp in the pot. In the night, I started feeling hungry, right? So I said, all right, then I'm gonna eat the other 3 pieces of shrimp with a little bit of rice that left. Guys, it was the wrong idea. Trust me. When I eat that 3 pieces of shrimp, right, I felt my chest started locking up instantly, right? I take the Benadryl, it's not helping. It's like I feel I can't breathe. I'm fighting to catch air, right? So anyway, still I take a next Benadryl again, but this time I threw the Benadryl because I wanted to work so fast. I threw it up, right? And drink some water. Still not helping. It started to get worse, it started to get worse, it started to get worse. Till I start to get like, the place start to get dizzy. I start to feel like I want to faint. So I said, no man, this is serious. So I decided to call 911, right? And I tell them I need an ambulance. I tell them my address. They actually send an ambulance, and 2 nurses came upstairs, right? They checked my heartbeat and see that and check my breathing and see that I wasn't breathing properly. And they see that my chest was tightening up, right? So anyway, they give me an EpiPen, and gave me a shot of EpiPen in my right arm, and they gave me a shot of Benadryl in my left arm. That's a liquid Benadryl, the one that they inject, right? So I was there, couldn't breathe same way, but I find myself like my chest kind of release look, you know, like my kind of breathe look better. It's still tight, but my kind of I breathe look better. So I could have talked better to them, right? Because I couldn't talk, literally couldn't talk. They keep asking me, which month you're in? You know which month you're in? Tell me the month you're in, because literally I feel like I'm getting unconscious, right? So they start to question me. Anyway, still, they said they were going to take me to the hospital because the EpiPen, it have a side effects that it raise your heart, and I already have a irregular heartbeat already, right? Because of the shrimp, my heartbeat was irregular already. So they gave me the EpiPen, it's going to make it race even more. So they take me to the hospital. So the doctor decided to keep me overnight to monitor my heartbeat and monitor my breathing, right? So they gave me a shot of, they gave me some steroids, sorry. They gave me a shot of steroid, right? And they also gave me 5 pills to swallow one time and keep me overnight, right? So, Jono, yo, it was an experience. It's the first I ever even have needle in my hand. They push out long needle up in my hand for the whole night. I sleep with that needle in my hand, right? Yo, it's not a nice experience, and I don't want to do it again, trust me. Guys, I'm not gonna tell them I'm not gonna cook shell food. I'm still gonna cook shell food, but I'm not gonna do the taste test. Honestly, I swear to God. You're not gonna see me eat that thing again. So if I don't have friends around, I'm just gonna cook it. I'm gonna present it, but I'm not gonna eat it. Right? Because it almost took my life. Honestly, I swear. I feel like I was gonna die. Straight up. I'm not lying to you guys. Right? So yeah, man. I'm still there though. Chef still there, you know? Yeah, look almost on the year says chef gone. Alright, so yeah man, much love and respect to you guys. Team Happy, love you. Happy gang gang. Well, Happy gang gang check up on me the whole time, you know? I'm appreciate that. And my mother couldn't sleep. My mother stay up all night. My friend said, Mommy, I'm alright now, man. I'm at the hospital, I can go to bed now. Right, Mommy, love you. Alright, so guys, just take care. That's my little story I want to share with you guys, you know. I appreciate you.
I wasn't missing a thing, no.